In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the apps and integrations available on your Big Cartel dashboard. If you're a store owner or thinking about becoming one, understanding the tools available to streamline your operations and enhance your store's performance is essential. Big Cartel provides a variety of apps and integrations that can help you do just that, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Firstly, let's dive right into your Big Cartel dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page where you can manage all aspects of your online store. This area is your command center, and now what you want to do is direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you'll see a menu bar spanning across the screen. It might have different headings based on various functionalities, but your goal here is to find and click on the Apps section. It's pretty straightforward, and clicking this will lead you to something exciting. Now, once you've clicked on Apps, you'll be taken to a new page. This is where all the magic happens. On this vibrant page, you'll find a collection of all the apps and integrations available for your Big Cartel store. It's akin to a treasure trove of possibilities, and each tool is designed to enhance a different aspect of your business. Take your time here and explore these options. Ranging from featured apps to various categories, the offerings cater to different needs. For instance, under Featured, you might find the most popular tools that other store owners are utilizing. These tools are generally known for their reliability and usefulness across several domains. Then there are apps dedicated to sales channels. Integrating with popular sales platforms can open up new avenues for selling your products and reaching a wider audience. Product sourcing is another critical part of running a successful store, and you can discover apps that help streamline this process. Whether you're looking to source new products or manage your existing inventory efficiently. Marketing tools are also available and crucial if you wish to communicate effectively with your audience, create engaging content, or analyze the performance of your marketing strategies. Let's not forget about shop management tools. These apps can assist you in managing the day-to-day operations of your store effortlessly. Design integrations can provide you with the creative tools to make your store visually appealing to customers, ensuring that your brand stands out. Lastly, there are customer service apps, which can be vital in maintaining positive relationships with your buyers by providing excellent support and managing customer interactions seamlessly. That wraps up our quick tour, but remember, exploring and utilizing these tools can significantly boost your store's performance and help you run your business more smoothly. So take a look around and see what suits your needs best. Happy exploring!